Hello viewers, welcome to IGCSE Maths 0580. Numbers decide your future, not luck, not talent, but how well you master the basics. Number is not just a chapter, it is the foundation of your grade. Every percentage you calculate, every ratio you solve, every bound you estimate is step closer to A or A grade. Let's begin our number war. Which of the following is an irrational number? See here A 0.25, B square root of 16, C root 7, D root 3 by 5. 0.25. It is a decimal. So we can write it in the form of P by Q, right? 25. After two digits we have point, so we write 100. So it is in P by Q form. So it is a rational number, not an irrational number. So this is wrong. Again, root 16. 16 is a perfect square. So square root of 16 we have 4. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 can be written as 4 by 1, or we can write 8 by 2, 16 by 4. So this 4 can be expressed in the form of fraction. So it is rational number, not an irrational number. So it is wrong. Then root 7. Root 7 value, it doesn't end. It never ends. It never ends. It never repeats. It never repeats. So root 7 is a irrational number. Root 7 cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. So root 7 is irrational number. So answer C. 3 by 5, it is given in the fraction form. All fractions are considered as rational numbers. So it is not a irrational number. So answer is C. Increase 240 by 15%. This can be done in two ways. First method is, first write the number 240 into 15%, right? 15%. 0 gets cancelled. 5 twos, 5 threes, 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 twos, 12 threes are 36. Add this 36 to this 240, right? 240 plus 36, that will be 276. So by increasing 240 by 15%, it will become 276. Method 2. First write 240, after that put into symbol. 15% increase, so 100 becomes 115. 100 becomes 115. 15% increase means 100 becomes 115. So write 115 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s, 2 12s, again 5 ones, 5 2s are 5 3s are. Next 12 3s are 36. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 3, 26. So 276. Divide $840 in the ratio 2:5:7. So first write total parts. Total parts is 2 plus 5 plus 7. That is equal to 14. 14 parts. Right? We have to distribute in 2 parts, 5 parts, 7 parts individually. So first write the amount $840 into total parts are 14. So out of these 14 parts, we have to find 2 parts. So write 2. 2 ones, 2 sevens, right? 7 ones, 7 twos are 14, 0. So 120. First part is $120. Next, second part. Again write $840 into total parts are 14. Now second part will be 5 parts. So write 5 here. 14 1 jar, 14 6 jar. 6 5 are 30, so 300 is the second part. Again write $840 into total parts, right, in denominator 14. Then third part is 7. So write here 7. 14 6 are 84, 0, 6 7 are 42, 6 7 are 42. So 420. In this way we can find parts of a ratio. Standard form of a number, right, that is written as a into 10 to the power of n. where a value lies between 1 included less than 10, starting from 1 and below 10, right? A value. So we have to write a number in the standard form as a into 10 to the power of n. See, first write the given decimal 0.00056. Now we have to take this number, right? First number we have to take this number. Then count numbers from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 we have to move this 4 places forward. So first write 5.6 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So right here minus 4. So 5.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is the standard form of this decimal. A car travels 180 km in 3 hours. Find the speed. So you know formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Now we are asked here speed. So speed is equal to, what is the distance here? 180 kilometers. Write in numerator this 180. Then hours. Time is in 3 hours. So write 3. It must be in kilometer by hour or meter per second. Now divide 3 ones, 3 6 are 8, 0. So 60 kilometer per hour. That is the speed. Here you have to remember 3 formulae. First one is speed is equal to distance by time. Then to find time or distance. To remember formula for distance, write distance like this. D stands for dot. Okay. Dot means into in physics. So write into, write S and T. S into T. Next, time. First in alphabetical order, here speed, time, distance. In alphabetical order, D will come first. So write D. Next write S in denominator. An item costs $800. It is discounted by 20%. New price. So first write cost of the item. Cost of item, that is $800. Discount is 20%. We have to calculate new price. So first write $800. Find 20% value in that. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 8 2 is 16. So 160. This money has to be deducted from this 800. So subtract 160 from 800. We will get 640. This will be the new price. You can do it in another way also. You can do it in another way. First rate $800. 20% discount means that 100 rupees a value worth item becomes 80 rupees. Okay. So write 80 by 100. 20% is decrease, right? So 80% value we have to calculate. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 8 8 is 64, 0. So $640. New price of that item is $640. Express 0.375 as fraction in simplest form. So first write the number 0.375. So first write the digits 375. Put division symbol. Then after 1, 2, 3 digits after there is a decimal. So write 3 zeros and put 1. If there is a decimal after 2 digits, you have to write 100 in denominator. If a decimal is after 1 digit, you have to write 10 in denominator. Here 1, 2, 3 digits after decimal. So write 3 zeros and put 1 here. Now divide this fraction. 5 2 ja 0, 0, 5 7 are 37, 35, 5 5 are 25. Again, 25 8 are 25 3 are. So it will be equal to 3 by 8. Find 18% of 450. So write first 18 percentage means write by 100. Half stands for into, then write 450. Now try to cancel them. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 9s are. Next 2 ones, 2 9s are 18. 9 9s are 81. This is one method. Next method 2. 18% of 450. Write 18 by 100. Half stands for into. Write 450. Write 18. 2 zeros in denominator. So we have to put a decimal after 2 digits starting from right to left. 1 2 here point into 450. Now multiply this number. 18 5 is 90. 18 4 is 72. 72 plus 9 81. Put this 0. Finally, here after 2 digits we have a decimal. 1 2 digits after decimal. So put a number, a decimal after 2 digits. So it will become 81. Increase 320 by 12%. So first write 320. In that find 12%. 0 0 gets cancelled. Then 12 2 is 24. 12 3 is 36 plus 2. 38 by 10. So write 384. Here we have 1 0. So put decimal after 1 digits starting from right to left. So 38.4. Now add this 38.4 to this 320. 320, add this 38.4. See, that is 320, 38.4. 4, 8, 5, 3. So it will be 358.4. You can do it in directly. See, write 320 first into 12% increase means 100 becomes 112. 100 becomes 112. Write 112 here. 12% increase means 100 becomes 112. So write 112 here. 0 0 gets cancelled. Now multiply this 112 by 32. 2 2s 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 4, 8, 5, 3. So write 3, 5, 8, 4. We have 1 0 in denominator. So one number after decimal. So final answer will be 358.4. Decrease 900 by 15%. So first write the value 900. Then find 15%. That will be 15 by 100. 2020 gets cancelled. 15 9s are 135. Now subtract this 135 from this 900. 900 minus 135. That is 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 3 6. 8 minus 1 7. 765. Method 2. So first write 900. 15% decrease. That means it becomes 85%. So write 85%. 85 by 100. 15% decrease means it becomes 85%. Now 2 zeros gets cancelled. Multiply 85 by 9. 9 5 is 45. 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 4 76. So it will be 765. Simplify the ratio 24:36. To find simple in the simplest form, first find HCF of the given numbers. HCF of 24 and 36. These two numbers are in 12 table. 12 to the 24 and 12 to the 36. So HCF of 12 and 24 and 36 is 12. Now divide this number by 12. 12 to the 24, 12 3 is 36. So 2 by 3 is written as 2:3. Evaluate 2 cube into 2 to the power of 4. See 2 cube into 2 to the power of 4. Here bases are same. This is base 2, here also base 2. Then bases are same, added. So write 1 base, 2 base, add these two numbers 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. That will be 2 to the power of 3 plus 4, 7. 2 power 7